Hi, I'm Ken Macron with thefrugalsophisticate.com, and today I'm going to show you DIY affordable gifts for your wedding guests. If you've been to a wedding lately, you know one of the hottest trends are photo booths, and it's also a great gift for your guests to take when they leave. One copy of the prints for you and one for them to take with them. But how do we make these pictures more interesting? Well, let's create some props, and a great way to make it a gift for your friends to take with them. So what you want to do first is take some colorful paper, whatever the patterns are, because that's really what you're going to do, is you want to create color, dimension, and interest. You just want to turn them over, and you're going to go ahead and make a template. We have a template of a bow tie right here, a little something fun. You just want to go ahead and you're going to trace that all the way around.
Me that you have a great bow tie.
Now, you can do this in so many different shapes. You can do it in bow ties, regular ties, and maybe this isn't a bow tie. Maybe this is a hair tie for one of the girls. It's really fun and interesting. Try mustaches or even lips, and this is really going to be fun. Once you have it done, you just want to go ahead and cut it out. Once you have it cut out, you have a great little bow tie, which I think is adorable. Now we have to have a way to hold on to it. So we're just going to glue it to a dowel. Once you have that glued down, you have this great little tie that you can hold and say cheese and happy wedding day for those loved ones. And this is a great gift for your guests to take with them at the end of the night. I'm Ken Macron, and there's some affordable gifts for your wedding guests.